I want to continue to analyze the company's net income under different sales assumptions. For example, what would happen to the company's net income if sales increased to 15,000 loaders? How much would the company lose if the number of sales fell to 7,000 loaders? How many loaders must the company sell to reach a net income of exactly $60,000? I could continue to use GoalSeek to answer these questions, but a more efficient approach is to use a data table. A data table is an Excel table that displays the results from several what-if analyses. The table consists of input cells and result cells. The input cells are the cells whose value would be changed in a what-if analysis. The result cells are cells whose values are impacted by the changing input values. In Excel, I can use one variable data tables and two variable data tables. In a one variable data table, I specify one input cell and any number of result cells. The range of possible values for the input cell is entered in the first row or column of the data table, and the corresponding result values appear in the subsequent rows or columns. One variable data tables are particularly useful in business to explore how changing a single input value can impact several financial measures. I want to examine the impact of changing sales volume on the company's revenue, total expenses, and net income. I will create a one variable data table to do this. The first step is to set up the data table so that the first row of the table starts with a reference to the input cell in the worksheet, followed by references to one or more result cells. In this cell, enter the formula. To create a reference to the input cell to be used in the data table, press Enter key. In this cell, enter the formula. Scroll down, click this cell reference. To reference the result cell that displays the company expected total revenue, press Enter key. In this cell, enter the formula. Scroll down, click this cell reference. To reference the company's total expenses, press Enter key. In this cell, enter the formula. Scroll down, click this cell reference. To reference the company's net income, press Enter key. In this range, enter units sold values from 3,000 to 27,000 in 3,000 unit increments. Active this cell, type 3,000. Press Enter key. In this cell, type 6,000. Press Enter key. In this cell, enter equal sign. Click this cell reference. Enter addition operator. Click this cell reference. Press Enter key. Again, active this cell. Click in formula bar. Make the absolute position of this cell reference. Press F4 key. Press Enter key. Again, active this cell. Paste the same formula in other cells.